Phone stands come in different shapes and sizes, but they all serve the same purpose. They prop your phone up, so you can make video calls, watch movies, answer calls, and more without holding your phone. With a phone stand, your phone remains locked in place for as long as you want, and you can adjust the height and angle to put your phone at a more comfortable viewing angle. Here are the best phone stands available right now. Number 1, Lamicall Cell Phone Stand. The Lamicall phone stand is made using professional-grade aluminum alloy and is strong enough to hold bulky gadgets. This phone stand is compatible with both iOS and Android, making it a versatile choice. The durable build with appealing design not only makes it ideal for everyday use but also an elegant addition to your work table without disrupting your overall setting. The non-slip rubber pads on the bottom keep this stand from sliding when you put heavy gadgets on it, and the caps on the stand hold your phone securely without scratching the screen. What's even better is that this stand has a minimal footprint and a low center of gravity, minimizing the chances of your phone falling off the stand. The multipurpose design also makes it suitable to use on your nightstand, so you don't need to fumble around in the morning to switch off your alarm. You can use it with your iPhone in its case, too, as long as said case is less than 14 mm thick, solid, flexible, and sturdy. This is quite simply the best iPhone stand available today. Pros: ergonomic design for perfect viewing angle, large back hole for charging cable, doesn't cover the sides of the phone, use with your case. Cons: a little small. Number 2, OMOTON Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. The OMOTON Adjustable is our favorite model. We love this stand's aesthetics and user-friendly design. Despite its small footprint, it is big enough to stand out on a cluttered desk. Unlike many other options we tested, this one can also undoubtedly hold a tablet of any size without risking toppling over and creating more of a mess. The aluminum, stiff-hinged adjustment mechanism stays in place but can be adjusted quickly and easily. The stand works great for one-handed use, as its silicone base plants it securely on your desktop. If you are trying to minimize or reduce the number and size of objects on your desk, you may not appreciate the size of the OMOTON. This stand is not foldable and isn't the easiest to store. Besides the fact that it is larger than some of the other products in this review, the OMOTON is a top-notch product and it's our number 1 recommendation. With a similar computer numerical control (CNC) technology as that of the MacBook, this phone stand allows you to enjoy a smoother touch experience even on the edge of the phone's screen. The affordable price tag, durable build, and appealing design make this phone stand the best overall on the list. Number 3, LISEN Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. The following selection on our list is the phone stand from LISEN. Due to its highly adjustable design, you can easily set the viewing angle, helping you fix your posture and reduce neck and back strain. It also has the ability to adjust the height of the stand, allowing you to work on your smartphone or tablet on a standing table. The back pad on the stand comes equipped with anti-skid silicone that safely holds your device in place without scratching it. It even boasts a weighted base, so you don't have to worry about the stand tipping onto your workstation. This phone stand hosts a reserved charging hole to fuel your devices while you are working or viewing entertainment. Plus, you can rotate it up to 85 degrees so you don't have to uncomfortably lean over to use your device. You don't have to struggle with charging your smartphone while it's on this handy phone stand because the stand features a practical design that has a designated slot for cable support. This phone stand also has a weighted and anti-slip base so it won't topple over while you're using it. What we love the most about this phone stand is that it's made of premium quality aluminum alloy for enhanced durability and stability. Number 4, UGREEN Desk Cell Phone Stand. The UGREEN Portable is simple, light, and compact. It's just 2 pieces of plastic joined by an increment, frictioned hinge. As you open the hinge further, you get a lower angle view. This is the lightest and most compact stand we tested. The contact points are rubberized for stability, and for the minimalist digital nomad, the UGREEN slides virtually unnoticed into a mobile office. There is no way to adjust for height, and if you want to connect a power cord or headphones to your phone, you will be relegated to landscape view. The vertical view requires a clean, unused short bottom edge of your phone. We had no issues with the construction of the UGREEN, but it feels a little flimsy. Composed of a premium ABS material composite, this phone stand is sturdy enough to hold your device firmly and safely. At the same time, the infamous silicone pads on the base and cradle prevent your mobile from getting scratched while on the dock. The minimalistic design makes it an elegant tabletop accessory for your home and office. Pros: foldable design for portability, wider compared to other options, anti-scratch and durable construction. Cons: no height adjustment. Number 5, Lamicall Gooseneck Phone Holder. The Lamicall Gooseneck mounts to almost any edge thanks to the adjustable clamp. You can attach it to your desk, nightstand, kitchen counter, and many other places. We imagine this stand is most useful for individuals who want to film themselves while working with their hands, whether you're shooting time-lapse of cooking techniques or artwork. This model gives you the height and adjustability to easily get top-down angles of you at work. It's also easy to get your phone in and out of the phone clamp, and the edge clamp ensures that your device won't fall over even if you give your desk a hard bump. Additionally, dialing in the angle requires serious muscle to bend and twist the neck to achieve the desired position. That said, it is highly adjustable and can be contorted to almost any angle you like. Just note that it is not ideal for typing or working on your phone. The gooseneck is pretty bouncy and phones will do some serious wiggling as you tap on them. All in all, Lamicall Gooseneck is ideal for people who want to film themselves from creative angles.